Ho, 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 ho. Hello there. Well, today I have a new book for you. It's called Santa's Famous Flight, and you can see it here, and it's by Mike Hughes and Kayla Hughes. And it starts off, oh, this belt. Oh, oh, oh. Okay, we'll start off. Did you see Santa Claus? He checked on you twice. He has your name in his book on who's naughty or nice. You can see him there looking at his book. I bet it's just one of many books. The toys you like, he most likely knows, but also send a letter. Just so there's no doubt, up to the North Pole the letter should go. Santa's toy shop is the last stop on the route. And you can see Santa receives millions of letters sent to him yearly. With great care he reads every single one. Each letter he remembers quite clearly. He even reads them twice. Then he is done. You can see him looking at all the letters. Once he knows what every kid wants, it's time to match them with their toys, like the ones elves make each year, and that bring about Christmas joy. He's looking at all the toys on the shelf. Some gifts are quite small, while others are quite tall. Large gifts, long gifts, gifts of all sizes are placed in sacks as rare prizes. And you can see the elves putting them in the sacks. Okay. The presents are then loaded with large sacks bulging on top. With city names on tags noted, the work comes to a stop. See, they've got it all, the sleigh all filled. The sleigh moves now that it's ready over to where reindeer are eating fresh hay. Then while the reindeer stand steady, their reins are tied to the sleigh. You can see it there. Then all becomes quiet, reindeer hooves become still. Anticipation builds. They all know the drill. See, they getting ready? Chimes sound out from the clock on the wall. Out steps a birdie, wooden and small. Excitedly the elves listen for a cuckoo, cuckoo. Then a large door opens and Santa steps into view. There's the cuckoo bird. Ho, ho, ho! Are we ready? Santa calls out. Yes, Santa, yes, the elves together all shout. Santa winks at the elves, then starts to say, you did a great job. Take off the rest of the day. Elf one ready? He looks over and asks. Ready, ready, she says. They both know their tasks. The stable doors are then opened all the way, and the northern lights can be seen on display. See, there's Elf one and Santa. In the dim moonlight night, southward they ply. They soon fade out of sight, and over the horizon they fly. And look, see all the airplane congestion? To keep you from peeking and to stay out of sight, Santa visits when you're sleeping, sometime during the night. I never say, Santa never says when. He may leave a present, a gift, or a toy, but most of all, Santa brings Christmas cheer. It's a wondrous sight to see such joy. It's what he does best every single year. And that's the end. Oh, and if you look over here, just as he's leaving, he spots what looks like cookies and milk. Oh, and he's been tempted. He's eating a cookie. Well, that's the end of that story. We hope you liked it. Bye-bye.